Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to send stickers to someone in Bigo Live. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Bigo Live application. Now click on the chats option in the bottom section of your screen. Open the chat of the person to whom you wanna send the sticker. Here, tap on the emoji icon just beside the mic icon in the bottom section of your screen. And here you can see a wide variety of stickers to choose from. Now tap on the one that you wanna send. And that is how you can send stickers to someone in Bigo Live application. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.